How's it going, everybody? It is Ethan, or Unknown Coder, and we are back with another episode of working on my website, or my e-commerce website. So it's been a while since I've actually worked on the project. This is the first time in probably almost a month because of, like I said in the last video, just because of school and wrapping up and stuff. So whenever you guys see this video, I will be officially done, graduated. I'm hoping to upload this on Thursday. I'm recording it on Tuesday. So it's going to be going up on Thanksgiving. I actually, technically my last day of college is tomorrow. I'm still looking for a job, so hopefully, fingers crossed, I can get a job. However, I also have some other side projects, and I might be starting another YouTube with my girlfriend where we work. We do building projects and stuff. That might be one of my side projects. And if I can make some money with that side project of woodworking, I'm going to be hopefully building these computers and selling them as well once I get some money. But there's a lot more upfront costs with building these computers than there are building, say, furniture and whatnot, because you can build a piece of furniture for $50. One of these computers to build is well over $400 or $500. So you can understand why I want to make sure that I don't want to start there, because along with marketing and stuff, I really need to get pictures of all these computers before I can actually sell any of them. And right now it's just also just an awful time to build a computer, because there's literally no graphics cards, and even CPUs are starting to get kind of unexisting. I don't know, I can't speak, I guess. But anyway, guys, that's besides the point. I just want to let you guys know that I'm graduating. I graduated by the time you see this. This is going to be on Thanksgiving. If you don't watch on Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving anyway. So let's go ahead and get right on into the video. Like always, I'm going to say that this is not a tutorial. This is me pretty much stumbling my way through building an e-commerce website with React and Node.js. I'm pretty good at Node.js. However, React is a different story. I'm okay with it. There's a lot of looking at tutorials, trying stuff, and just troubleshooting and whatnot. So let's get into it. So like I said before, I haven't worked on this project for about a month, and I had the other episode that I uploaded last week, recorded for a while. I just didn't have any time to do any voiceover and upload it. So I kind of just looked into the website, and I had a lot of time to reflect and think over the last month or so about where I want to take this website and what I wanted to do with it. And there's a lot of things that I wasn't exactly happy with, and there's a lot of stuff that I wanted to change. And I kind of just came up with a list of stuff. It was a small list, but I got some of it done. I need to look on my GitHub and change some issues and stuff, because those probably aren't going to be reflective of what I'm going to be doing. But let's talk about the to-do list, I guess. Oh my gosh. Let's talk about the to-do list. I don't know why that's a tongue twister, about what I did and what I actually didn't do and stuff like that. So there's let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 or 5 things that I wanted to do. The first thing I try to do in this episode is fixing the buttons on the slider. So whenever you look at the slider, you'll see the 3 little buttons on the bottom. So unfortunately, I don't think I can fix these with the way that the sliding mechanic works. So I might as well just take away the little finger guy or whatever, or the cursor pointer, because from whatever I've seen, you can't click on these to make it actually work the way I want to. I might need to do some more digging in that, but it just seems like it's not going to work because of the way the animation works, which is unfortunate. So I did not get that done. I wanted to make an all products page, which goes, well, I guess I should probably back up. So the main thing I want to do is make the home screen just or I guess the quote-unquote home screen. Some people call it the hero section. I want it to be the entire slider, just the whole page is the slider. So I went ahead and did that. So I made the slider. It was a pretty easy fix. And then how I want to do is I want the quote-unquote home page to be the hero section, and then the products underneath. So I need to make a home page / home views, and that's what I did next. So pretty much what I did, I just took I extracted the stuff from the homepage, or the homepage .js, I think. I don't have the code up in front of me. I put it in its own component, so that way it's more modular. It does the same exact thing, it looks the same, and we will be expanding this as we go, once we add more and more computers. So right now it's just entry level, because that's my plan to begin with, to just do entry level computers that most people can afford, and you'll get your foot into the door of PC gaming. So the final thing that I wanted to do is I realized that, or I guess I didn't realize this till yesterday when I started working on this, and you guys will notice that I get interrupted in the middle of this, so that's why I stop it and then it starts again, if you guys notice that. But I wanted to also add a thing called smooth scroll to the to it. So pretty much what smooth scroll is whenever you click on like the logo in the top left corner, or pre-built is going to be the two things that work. It's going to scroll either to the top if you click on the logo, or if you click on pre-builts, it'll scroll down. So pretty much the home page, so the slider and the pre-built / products page will be all one page. Whenever you click on that, it'll scroll down. But I quickly found out that with the way the nav bar is set up, it's not going to work. And I tried like using a tutorial and it just did not have enough information in it. However, I realized that my portfolio that I made to show employers and such actually has this feature as well. The only problem is that with that portfolio, it used styled components instead of what I'm doing here. So I'm pretty sure around now in this part of the video, you'll see me creating the new nav bar. So I pretty much built the nav bar from scratch. It looks the exact same. There's a couple things I'm not sure how we're gonna do, because you have to use, it's pretty much like using something in styled components. I'm assuming what's going to happen is we're going to end up using like in I don't know what it's called, pretty much make a CSS style inside the whatever it's called, the component, but we'll figure that out later. I pretty much ran out of time in this episode of working, so that way, because I just need to get this done and get it out. I ran out of time to figure out exactly how to do that part. So that's pretty much where I'm at. I got the nav bar working correctly. I'm also gonna have to do a little slide thing, or not a slide thing, I don't know what it's called, like a sidebar, because that's how we have the nav bar set up. Or I could go back and look at how we did the drop down in my in this, I think. But either way, one of those two is gonna have to be reproduced. But I pretty much deleted all the code for nav bar and rewrote it, and that's gonna be pretty much for this episode. So we pretty much, what we got done was we reformatted the homepage to have the hero section with the big slider, and then that's where we'll have the company mission in one of them, and we'll have some screenshots of computers with descriptions and such. And then we also reworked the nav bar, so now hopefully next episode, after we figure out the buttons and stuff, or the menu that comes down, hopefully next episode we can get the slider done and all that good stuff. So anyway guys, I think that's gonna be it. Off camera or in between episodes, I'm gonna work on not designing, but like kind of thinking in my head and laying out how I want to do the product page, like the individual product page, and hopefully, and not the next episode but the episode after, we can work on individual product pages. And then from then, we pretty much just have like a sign-in page and the cart and stuff. So we're getting close, guys. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Leave comments. Everything helps for the old YouTube algorithm. Have a great Thanksgiving if you're watching this on Thursday when it releases. And anyway, guys, this has been Ethan, or Unknown Coder, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace out.